Hey guys, today we're going to be doing changes in a bag lab. Now before we get started, just remember to always put on your safety goggles, your apron, tie your hair back, and wear closed-toed shoes. There's going to be two parts of this, and the materials you will need are sodium bicarbonate, calcium chloride, citric acid, a beaker, pipettes, spatula, and 2 bags. The purpose of this lab is to prove the conservation of mass system does not change after a reaction. Alright, so step 1 to part 1. Place 1 gram of sodium bicarbonate in one corner of the baggie. Step 2. Place 2 grams of calcium chloride into the corner of the baggie. Calcium chloride. Make sure you're careful in not mixing the substances. Step 3. Fill 2 plastic pipettes with water and place them in the baggie. Seal the plastic bag. Step 4. Observe the contents of the bag and record your observation in the data table. And here's what your data table should look like for part 1. And step 5. Carefully place the sealed baggie in the plastic cup. Measure the mass of the system and record the mass in the table. Step 6. Remove the baggie from the cup. Lift the baggie from the outside. Squeeze gently the pipettes inside the closed baggie, focusing the stream of water into respective corners to dissolve the solids. Be careful not to suction chemicals into the pipette. Step 7. Mix the substances together in the baggie by rocking or squeezing gently. Yes, ma'am. Observe all the changes and write down what you observe. Step 9. Place the sealed baggie into the same plastic cup and measure the mass of the system once again. Record the mass. Step 10. Carefully remove the pipettes and place them in an appropriate waste container. Place the baggie in the proper waste container. Part 2 of changes in a bag lab. Now before we do this, I want to remind y'all again to always be safe, wear your goggles, your apron, and tie your hair back. Closed-toed shoes also. Step 1 to part 2. Place 1 gram of sodium bicarbonate in one corner of the baggie. Step 2, you're going to place 1 gram of citric acid into the other corner of the same baggie.
Okay.
Now while they're doing that, remember that this is how your data table should look for the part B. Step 3. Fill 2 plastic pipettes with water and place them in the baggie. Seal the plastic bag. Step 4. Observe the contents of the bag and record your observation in the table. Step 5. Carefully place the sealed baggie in the plastic cup. Measure the mass of the system. Record in your table. Step 6. Remove the baggie from the cup. Lift the baggie from the outside. Gently squeeze the pipettes inside the closed baggie, focusing the stream of water into respective corners to dissolve the solids. Be careful not to suction chemicals into the pipette. Step 7. Mix the substances together in the baggie by rocking or squeezing it gently. Step 8. Observe all the changes inside the baggie. Write down your observations. Step 9. Place the sealed baggie into the plastic cup and measure the mass of the system once again. Record the mass. Step 10. Carefully remove the pipettes and place them in the appropriate waste container. Place the baggie in the proper waste container as well.